Hi guys, it's Ann here, coming at you with a really quick video, I hope. This is a video on the Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Shine Lip Kit. We're just going to do some swatches and then I might do a little bit of talking at the end. The first product in this kit is the Lancome Juicy Tubes Original Lip Gloss in Magic Shell. And I'm going to try and put these all on just using the viewfinder. These are an OG classic, I think. This product feels fairly thick, but not, maybe a little bit of stick, but very little stick. Now, I don't have very pigmented lips, so if you have more pigmented lips, this probably will show a bit more color. It doesn't really show a whole lot of color though either, compared to what you see in the tube. It's just very shiny. Next up is the Patrick Ta Major Lip Shine in She's Expensive. I don't have any other Patrick Ta products. This is just a mini. It's nicely packaged though. Very lightweight, has a bit of a sweet minty smell. Almost like an After Eight. And again, it has no color, just shine. So for the two clear products, I also want to show what they look like over lip color. So I'm using the Pillow Talk. This is the OG Pillow Talk, I think. I think it's in the matte. I'm not sure of the line, but I'll put it on the screen. The OG Pillow Talk, I thought that was a good general neutral color to use. I'm actually just going to put this on my finger and then dab it on because I don't want to put color in the tube. The next product is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy, and this is a full-size product. I do have the full size of the original, so that's just to show you it is a full-size product. Has a little bit of a sweet smell. It's a nice, fairly, I'd say mid-weight formula. It's not super light. It's not as thick as the Juicy Tube. The Patrick Ta is definitely a thinner formula. It's just like an all-around smooth lip gloss. I mean, a lot of people have already tried the Fenty lip glosses, so that's in Fussy. The fourth product in the box is also full size. This is the NARS Afterglow Lip Balm in Orgasm. And this is the only one that's in like a sort of a lipstick format. So that feels really, really nice on the lips. Doesn't add a whole lot of color. For me anyway. Again, I don't have very pigmented lips to start with, and I like the way that feels. It definitely feels like a lip balm. It'd be interesting to see how moisturizing it is wearing it long term. And the final product is a Too Faced Cosmetics Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumper in Clear. Now it says clear, but it's got almost an iridescent type look to it. This is 1.5 grams. Now I used to have one of these in a crayon format and it was extra spicy, so it'd be interesting to see. And this has like a sweet candy smell. Oh yeah, this has that same, if you don't like something with that like, it's like that cinnamon type tangle, you won't like this. But I mean, at least it's a small size compared to the other products. It would be kind of disappointing if this was the full size. And then again, just putting it over the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. It's supposed to be a matte formula, but I don't think it's super matte. It's more like a demi-matte. Again, just gonna put it on my finger. I could be crazy, it feels slightly less intense. It's tapped on a little bit less. But maybe my lips are just numb now. Okay, and that's it. That's the kit. I mean, I'm sure I'll go back and edit this and these swatches are all gonna look the same. I mean, they're all very light. When I did the swatches on my arm, they all are very similar. This is only going to appeal to a certain kind of person. I picked this up personally because A, I love lip glosses, B, I love lip products. I know right now with the pandemic and we're all wearing masks and kind of sucks because we can't really get the use out of our lip products like we normally do, but someday we will. And for me, at least here in Toronto, we don't have to wear masks outside 100%, so I still can take advantage of like putting a lip balm when I'm out walking little Harley here. So from a value perspective, it's definitely there. This costs $38 Canadian, and I'm pretty sure the NARS full size is $37. So basically it's like you get the NARS product and then you get everything else for $1. So the value is there if you're interested in this. Just testing out all these products on my lips, I know I'm gonna like at least the 2 full size. The Patrick Cha is actually quite surprising. I think I'm gonna really like that as well. I wanna check online and see what other shades there are, because it'd be interesting to see if there's like actual pigmented shades, because I liked the texture of that. The Juicy Tubes I might not really like. I think it's a little thick for me, but I need to, again, play with it a bit more. And then probably my least favorite in terms of product is this one. I won't use this a whole lot. I mean, I don't mind. I'm glad it's a small tube though, so I can probably go through it pretty quickly. Anyway, hope you liked this quick little video. If you did, feel free to give it a little thumbs up down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my tiny little channel here in Toronto, Canada. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.